We'll have a look at this Mustang Pantone Maroon. And apart from this, we have the yellow Porsche as well. And the cards look really pretty, really beautiful. And we have metal base in this one. But shame that there's only one Mustang and one Porsche in this whole set. And now moving on to the Silver Series, the Tokyo Drift Silver Series 25th anniversary, and we had some good casting in this one. We also had the Batman Silver Series, which only had one decent. Moving on to the main lines A and B cases, well, they had a few imported A and B cases, and we'll starting with the Pagani's Honda Tune version. This looks really good, and we have the Centenario as well as the Grey Porsche. Well, this is the Grey Porsche that people were looking for. People were getting mad over this, and also the Transformers Optimus Prime with the metal base. And talking about other castings, the 24/7 looks really good. Being a fantasy, this is the STH in this case too, but this was the dud. And we'll move on to the Black Widow. The livery looks really good. People were mad for it. SF19, the blue, and there were so many. This is the TH in this set. In the A case, I think the Piper, and apart from this, there was so much to see, there was so much to figure out. And the F1 McLaren, we also had this. Apart from this, I had my F1 Mercedes mainline that we got last year, and look at all this. We had so much to unbox. We were still unboxing since they had 3-4 boxes each of A and B case. And look at all these cars. It is all the Bentley, Porsche, and the major ones were kept aside. And just have a look.
Hello.
Most of these I already had through Blinkit, but I still had a lot to get. And this is all my box. I got around 34, 35 castings for me, and I was full, so I had to take a box. But just look at this. Look